Greetings, Kofa High School staff. Today I'm going to teach you how to grade a bubble sheet assessment using our Illuminate program. Some of you, this might be a refresher to our new staff. This is going to be brand new. So here we go. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the Illuminate icon on your desktop and go ahead and open that. And so here's the dashboard of Illuminate. I'm not going to teach you too much on anything here, but the main thing that we need to do for this, especially for our practice ACT test that's coming up, is click the assessments button on the left-hand side. When that comes up, a menu should appear, and you want to go to View Assessments. So click View Assessments. Then the assessments menu should come up that looks like this. And what I want you to do, a lot of you, it's going to default to My Assessments. Okay, those are only assessments that you have created. What I want you to do is click on All Assessments. When you click on All Assessments, there should be a bunch of different ones that have been created, but what you're looking for are the ones that I have shared with you. The ACT Science, Reasoning, ACT Reading, Math, and English, and they'll all be labeled Practice Test 1. If they don't show up at the top of your screen, you can simply use the search and type in ACT, and they should be the first ones that pop up. All right, so here, and look, I am the owner, Ben Franz, so that's what you want to be looking for. So for my example today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Science Reasoning. So I'm simply going to click on the title of the assessment, and it will take us to where we want to go. All right, so I'm gonna, for this video's purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss this so that we can see what it looks like once the test is in place. But we're in the main page for the Science Reasoning test, and so I'm gonna go up to Administration. All right, and with Administration, I'm gonna go Grade with Camera. Administration, Grade with Camera. So as your students complete these practice tests, they're going to bring you their completed bubble sheets. So once they've completed the ACT Science Reasoning test, you're going to go into this screen here. And now you can see me. And you can see what is projecting off of my webcam. And we're going to use the webcam to grade those exams. So I have an example sheet here of a completed bubble sheet. And now I'm going to hold it up in front of the screen, and it's going to read, and then once it captures, then we have the student's score. And based off of my guessing, I did pretty well, of 5 out of 40. But then after you have graded all of your students' work, then all you have to do is hit Save and View Results, and the results are locked in. So you will need to open the different tests for each individual test. So there's 4 tests, and we'll need to grade all 4 of them. It should go quick and easy, and not create too much of a hassle. And you can do them as the kids complete them. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, bfranz@umaunion.org. Thanks for watching.